Hello everyone and welcome back to another Zano List video. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to buy Zano using an exchange and a swapping platform. So to get to a list of where you can buy Zano, head on over to zanolist.com/exchanges. And this will show you all the exchanges where you can buy Zano. So these are exchanges and swapping platforms. And I'm going to be showing you how to buy Zano on both of these methods. So for this video, I'm going to be using Mexi, which is by far one of the most popular exchanges here, which as you can see here on CoinMarketCap is the #1 exchange platform for Zano. Once you have signed up, it requires no KYC, by the way, so you don't need to upload a passport, I think up to $10,000. So now what you're going to do is type in Zano into the search bar here and then click Zano. And as you can see, this is a Zano pair and trade with USDT. And for this video, I've only deposited 24 USDT, but if you want to deposit, simply click this button, deposit, and you can do P2P, you can buy crypto using Visa, MasterCard, PayPal, etc., or just deposit crypto. To buy Zano, it's very simple. Once you've deposited your money, you will need to make sure that it's the USDT pair. So I've got USDT here, and then I'm going to basically make a market order. So that's just going to buy it immediately for me. So I'm going to go ahead and click Buy Zano, and I'm going to buy 100% of my USDT into Zano. Click Buy Zano, and as you can see, I have now completed the order, and you can see I have now got 1.79 Zano. So now if I head over to Wallets, click Spot, as you can see, here is my Zano in my exchange here. So I have 1.79 Zano, totaling $23.61. And if I want to sell it, I can, of course, withdraw it. I can trade it and swap it back. So if I want to sell it, I'm going to click the trade button, Zano USDT. I'm just going to be doing the opposite. So for example, I would click market. I would then sell 100% of it and simply click sell. Okay, so now I'm going to be showing you how to buy Zano via swapping. So on zanolist.com/exchanges, you'll see a bunch of swapping sites here, such as Swapter, WizardSwap, etc. There's many here with no KYC. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be using a Solix. I'm going to go ahead and click that. And then I am going to swap USDT, Turbotron, for Zano. As you can see, I'm at the minimum amount, it's 49 USDT. So I will receive 3.42. So if I want a better rate, I want to make sure to click floating rate. This basically, the rate can change. So if, for example, Zano goes up or down, then the rate will change. So then I want to paste in my Zano wallet address and then simply click exchange. Okay, so as you can see, I then need to send 49 USDT on the TRX network to this address here, or I can scan with this QR code. So once I have sent 49 USDT, it will take time to confirm, and I will then receive 3.3 Zano to my Zano wallet here, and that will take around 15 to 20 minutes depending on the amount. Thank you guys for watching this video on how to buy Zano. If you have any other video ideas, please do leave them in the comments below and I'll happily make them.